Yeah. So in this session, we'll be talking about concatenation. So what are the operations we can do with strings? Okay, so when you say concatenation, joining of two different strings or a string with another data, well, maybe it's a number, okay, any numerical quantity. Okay, that's called concatenation. So when you concatenate, you can connect two different types of objects and get the result. That's called concatenation. And we'll be talking about repetition also. Then indexing, slicing, all these things we'll discuss. Okay, fine. Now let me get into my Anaconda Navigator. So let me start my Jupyter notebook. I think I closed it, so I'm just opening it. So I can concatenate a string with another string using plus operator, or a string with a number, or when you have an expression, how do you concatenate? So all these things we'll discuss. Okay. So now right now I'm getting the Jupyter notebook. Yeah. So I'll just create a new fresh page. Python 3. So here I'm going to take some sample text. So you can see here. So let me call this as name. Name is equal to, I'll just say Ram Kumar. Ram Kumar. Okay. So let me talk F name. F name. Then I'll just say L name is equal to, I'll just say last name will be Ram Kumar. Okay. Manohar. Manohar. Okay. So Ram Kumar Manohar. Fine. Now what I want to do, I want to attach or concatenate the solution. Solution means for example salutation. Salutation will be doctor. Doctor. So what I can do, I can just say print. Okay. Salutation. Okay. Plus, so I can give a space. This is called concatenation. Plus F name. Plus you can give a space. Plus L name. L name. Okay. So you can see here salutation will be doctor. F name, L name. So easily all these are basically they are variables and of type string. Right now as we put string value inside these variables, okay, the type of these variables becomes string. And salutation, okay, SALUA, salutation. Salutation, okay, will be doctor. So let me just show the output. Yeah. So the spelling mistake. A. Dr. Ramkumar Manohar. Look at this. So this is called concatenation. Okay. So apart from this, string concatenation, I can have an age. Okay. This will be 35, for example. So I can say plus age colon. So it's a string basically. Then I can say age. So this is called concatenation. Look at this now. I'll get Dr. Ramkumar Manohar and age will be 35. You can see here. Okay, so what it says, you cannot concatenate string, not an integer. So what we should do is, I can convert this into a string. Okay, this is called typecasting. We can see it. So what I did was, this numerical quantity age or integer age, okay, got converted into a string. Okay, so what we do is we concatenate this age string with the actual age. Okay, so what happens is here we are converting that age number into a string. It is called concatenation, because we can concatenate any other things also. Now what I can do, so I can just see, yeah, you can just see any other things are there by checking help actually. See help. Okay, if it's normally we are dealing with string objects, so I can say str. So when you say help str control enter, you'll get all the methods which are available inside the class. Now what it shows, it says class str. Okay, and object is the, of course, the parent. Okay, basically your str's parent is object class. Okay, then this is a construct, this is a constructor, it's a one more constructor, and different methods you can find at the bottom. You can see here. So you can here add, contains. So all these are methods actually. Okay, you can see so many methods. Okay, so we can use all these methods, of course, later on. Okay, and you can see type conversion, anything is there, you can just see. Okay, so the help will give you an extensive details about a particular class. Just give help within bracket, just give str. Str denotes our class name. Okay, fine, str denotes our class name. So I have a shortcut, so Control O will clear my screen. Then I will just get B. B means, Control Escape B will escape, but followed by B will give me one more cell. Okay, so here what I can do, I can have repetition. When you say what is repetition, see, I have like this star within single quotation or double quotation star into 10. So you can just see here 10 stars are printed. This is called repetition. Okay, this is called repetition. Now the repetition can be used for designing a menu kind of thing. Look at this. I can design a menu. See, print. I'll just say star. Star should be within single quotation or double quotation. So I'll just put within double quotation star. Okay, this particular star stands for repetition. I'll just give 80. Look at this. Now, say I'll get 80 stars here. Look at this. 80 stars. Of course, I can just give 79. I think 79 will be ideal. Ideal. 79. Fine. So you can see here I got a star kind of pattern. Then below that, what I can do, print. I'll just say menu. So I can say menu means, so I'll just put this way, star. Okay, I can do one thing. I can center this actually. Fill. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just again I'll put one more star. Okay, so this is repetition actually. So any character I can do. For example, print. I can just give star. Or any other character, for that matter, I can give hash 79. So that will give me 79 hashes. Okay. So this is called repetition. Using repetition, we can create a pattern kind of thing. Okay, that we'll do in the later exercise. Okay. Then we have something called indexing, slicing. So what is indexing and slicing? See, when I say indexing, I think I did, as I told you, when I have a name equal to, or I can take a variable which I already declare on top. See, whatever variable which you declare on top will be available in the below cells also. So let me take f name. See, f name, print f name. I'll just say print f name. Okay, now when I run this, when I give control enter inside this cell, only this 10th cell will be executed, not all previous cells. That's the advantage of Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook. So only the 10th cell will be executed, but you will get all the variables available from top. So that is very easy. F name, we stored Ram Kumar in the first cell, fourth cell, but the F name is available even the 10th cell also. Okay, but the execution will take place only for the 10th cell. Okay, okay. Now I'm printing it. I'll just come here. I want to do some slicing. What is slicing? So F name. I'll take the variable name. Put square bracket. Then Ram Kumar, I want only Kumar. So when I say Kumar, I need to have index. See, 0, 1, 2, 3. So from 3 onwards, okay. See, slicing involves, in fact, 3 parts. The first part, okay, will denote, see, let me call this as part 1, colon, part 2, colon, part 3. Okay, what is part 1? Part 1 denotes the starting index. Part 2 denotes the ending index, excluding the index number. I'll tell you what it is. Then part 3 will be whether the slicing should be done in the forward direction or reverse direction. Okay. Now, what I'll do, I'll just go down, I'll just comment it out. I'll just say F name. I want Kumar. So Kumar starts at 0, 1, 2, 3, at 3. So part 1 is 3. Part 2, I want complete till end. So till end I want, no. So what I don't need to give anything at all. Even part 3, I don't need to give. Of course, I can just give part 1, colon, that's it, that's enough. But anyway, I'm just giving it. So it's 3, from 3 onwards, okay, I can just give 1. 1 means, forward direction. This is not compulsory, but I'm just giving it. You can just see here. Kumar I got. Okay. Now, if I want, Look at this. Only Ram. Okay, then what I can do? F name, put a square bracket. Kumar I want. Kumar, see Ram I want. So it's not at 0 colon. Part 1 is 0. Part 2 is okay up to M. That means you should give up to K. So K is at 3. So you should give 3 colon 1. That's it. Okay, this is not compulsory. You can just give 0 colon 3. That's enough. So you'll get 0, 1, 2. That means you'll get Ram. Look at this. You got Ram. Okay, I just give control enter. So I got Ram. Fine. So this is called slicing. So when I say slice it, you take part of your string from a specific index position up to one index position. Fine. Now the same slicing I can do in reverse direction also. When I say reverse direction, what do you mean by that? So first let me do one thing. I'll just give you the indexing has one more numbering system that's called -1, -2. See, when you come from behind -1. So see, from you go from front to back, beginning to end, it's 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. It goes indexing. For example, R is at 0. In Ram Kumar, if you take R 0, A 1, M 2, K 3 like that it goes. Same way, negative indexing. The last R in Ram Kumar, the last character R is at position -1. Then before that there is a that's at -2. Then -3, -4 like that it goes. So what I can do? I can do negative indexing also to slice it. So I want Kumar using negative indexing. Look at this. How do I do it? I'll just say F name. Okay. Now I want negative indexing. So I'll just say where is K? Look at this. Kumar I want. So look at this. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So I'll just say -5 colon. That's enough. Okay. Of course, I don't need to give anything at all. So it will just fetch me Kumar and give me. Look at this. I got Kumar. This is it, negative indexing. That's all. Okay. I want Ram with negative indexing. So what should I do? I'll just go here. I'll just say F name. Okay. Negative indexing. So see, Ram. So K is at -5. So see, -6, -7, -8. So from -8 onwards. -8 onwards, starting part 1 is -8, then till where you want, till I want -5. -5 means K. So when you give -5, you'll get up to -4. So what I can do, I can just give -4. Okay, just look at this. Oh, so I should have given -3. Okay, in fact, so -5 I should give because K it is -5, so it should be -5. Look at this. I'll get Ram. I got Ram. Okay, see when I say -5, see this is -8, -7, -6, -5. So when I give -5, I'll get up to -6 only. So -8, -7, -8 I'll get. Sorry, -6 I'll get. -8, -7, -6. I won't get -5 because -5 I given as destination. And part 2 I given -5. So I'll get up to -6. Okay, so using negative indexing also you can do slicing. This is an example. Okay, this is an example of negative indexing. Right? Then, see, we saw part 1, part 2, part 3. In part 3, I can have positive number or negative number also. If I give positive number, that means forward direction. Suppose you see, I say F name. Okay, I'll just give 0 to. Okay, maybe I'm giving 7. Simply, then I'm giving 1. That means positive direction. 0 to 6. You'll get index 0 to 6. Look at this. Ram Kumar. You'll get Ram Kumar. Okay, so that 1 denotes forward direction. Suppose the with hop 1, that means 1 character. If I give 2 now, I'll get R M U A. Look at this. R M U. That means hopping of 2 in forward direction. See, when part 3 is a positive number, the direction is forward. But hopping is 2. Hopping is 2 characters. Okay, fine. In Ram Kumar, you get or you do not get A, but M you got. Okay, then K you won't get, then U will get. So 2 hops. Okay, so when the part 3 is positive number, forward direction. But hop, one hop or 2 hop or 3 hop, 4 hop, whatever it is. Okay. Now in the same time, I give part 3 as negative. So let me take this example. See, I want F name of See, double colon, minus 1. Minus 1 means what? A reverse direction. So, whatever characters you give, you will get in reverse direction. That means what? I want, Kumar in reverse. See, Kumar in, that means, see, RAMUK. Rumak I want. Reverse direction. So, what should I do? I should give the starting index. Okay, then ending index. Ending index is what? K, okay, Kumar is at, minus 5, I think. If I'm not wrong, see, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, so I want up to minus 5. So I should give minus 6. Then only I'll get up to minus 5. So you see, I'll get second part 2, I'll get minus 6. Minus 6. So that, look at this. Starting index is minus 1. Left, last index is minus 6. But the part 3 is minus 1. That means reverse direction. Reverse direction. So you just see Rumak. Sorry, or Ramuk. You'll get Ramuk. Kumar in reverse. That's it. Ramuk. Fine. So what does it mean? Part 1 is, see, minus 1. Part 2 is minus 6. That means you'll get starting from minus 1 up to minus 5, you will get index. Then when the part 3 is minus 1, you want in reverse direction. Not in forward direction, reverse direction. Okay. Now I want Ram in reverse direction. So what I'll do? I'll go here. F name. So what is, Ram? Ram actually is, M starts at minus 6. So I'll just say minus 6 colon. End I don't need to give because till end, till, I want till beginning. So I don't need to give. But I should not forget to give part 3. Then only I'll get in reverse direction. If you don't give this part 3 as minus 1, it will assume that it is forward direction. So from minus 6 onwards, you'll get in forward direction. So that also will show you. See, look at this. This is, you'll get, mar. You'll get output as mar. Look at this, mar. Okay, mar you got. Fine. Now, suppose if I don't give this, see, I just copy this. See, I just paste it here. I won't give this. Imagine, just imagine. From minus 6 onwards, I am not specifying anything, whether I am going in reverse direction or forward direction. So if you don't specify anything, by default, it takes only forward direction. So minus 6 onwards, that means what? I think by the Kumar, Ram Kumar, so you'll get M, I think you should get output as, see, M Kumar, you'll get M Kumar. Let us see the output. M Kumar you got. Okay. So if you don't give part 3, it assumes that it is in forward direction. Okay, fine. So these are, you slice. So you can slice using, negative indexing, positive indexing, whatever you want. Even with positive indexing, you can come in reverse direction. Okay, you can come in reverse direction. So what should I do? You should give, the indexing, beginning indexing, ending indexing. Suppose you see, with positive indexing, I want to try. So you see F name is Ram Kumar. With positive indexing, in reverse direction I want. So I'll just show you that. Look at this. I'll just say F name, okay, square bracket. So when first let me fill up the part 3. That means what? It's in reverse direction. But with the positive indexing, so when I say positive indexing, say Ram Kumar, I want Kumar. Okay, Kumar in reverse direction, but positive indexing. So what happens? Kumar 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 should be given here. Don't forget, 7 should be given here. Up to where? 0, 1, 2, 3. Up to 3. So I should give 2. So that, okay, see, it starts at 7, goes up to 3. So when you give 2, no, it will go up to 3 actually. Okay, so look at this. 0, 1, 2, 3. So I'll get Kumar in reverse direction. Part 3 is reverse direction. See, 7 denotes, okay, starting index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So last star starts at 7. And ending, part 2 will be ending position. That should also be positive. So in that case, 0, 1, 2. Only if I give 2, I'll get up to the previous thing. So I'll get up to, Kumar. Up to K I'll get. But part 3 is minus 1. So you can see here, I'll get Kumar, Ramuk in reverse. Got it? Ramuk in reverse. So you see, we can do in different combinations. Okay, with positive indexing, okay, forward movement. With positive indexing, reverse movement. Okay, negative indexing, okay, forward movement. Negative indexing, reverse movement. Anything is possible. Okay, so with slicing we can do anything we want by moving, by changing the index part 2 and part 2 and part 3. Just keep this in mind. Part 1, part 2, part 3, they should be separated by colon, right? And they should be in square bracket. Before that you should give your variable name. Variable name means string variable name. Hope this was useful. We'll meet in the next discussion. Thank you.